Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is KaiTech Digital. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to use ChatGPT to be able to write a custom code for you to change the place order button text on your checkout page. So now this video is one of the many videos I do about what GPT, and then also to help you write your own custom codes so that you can be able to work on any website that you want to work on. ChatGPT is one of the biggest AI that we have ever come across, and this chat software will solve any problem that you want it to solve for you. And today we're going to use it to solve this problem that we are encountering. So let's say we have a WooCommerce product over here, okay, or a WooCommerce shop page over here, and then what we're going to do is we want to download this book. Now as you can see, we use ChatGPT to change the download the add to cart text over here to download, okay, download the book. So we click on download the book, and then we go to view cart, and then we go ahead to proceed to checkout, okay, so that we check out. But we don't like this place order button text over here. We want to change it to let's say download, okay, just download, okay. So what we can do is to go ahead and then use ChatGPT. Now for those of you who are new over here, you can use your Google to sign into your ChatGPT account, get account over here, and then start using. So just click on introducing ChatGPT, or if you don't see this one, just come down and then click on ChatGPT over here, and then go ahead and click on try ChatGPT. Okay, it is free. Okay, you don't need to pay anything. Everything is free. Okay, it is a research tool that they are using to do AI research. Okay, so you can download it for free. Now if you go ahead and then you register over there, or you sign in, you're gonna get something like this. Okay, now when you get something like this, what are you going to do? Now you just, over here there is a chat box over here. Just enter anything that you want to enter over here, and then the ChatGPT will start giving you answers. So what do we want? We want to change the add to cart, the place button, okay, the place order button over here to download. So we tell ChatGPT that we want it to change the place order button on the checkout page of WooCommerce for us to download. Okay, so I'll say maybe write me a code that will change the place order button text in WooCommerce checkout page 2, let's say download. Okay, so this is what we are talking about. So we just tell ChatGPT to do it for us, and let's see what it will come out. So it's going to write code snippets for us to use to change this place order button that we want. So as you can see, this is what it's going to do for us. So it tells us where we can add the code. So it says that we can add it in our functions.php file or to a custom plugin. I'm going to do all this too for you to know. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here, and then for those of you who don't know what the functions PHP is, now hover on appearance over here and then go to theme file editor. Okay, so click on it. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the right side. We can see the theme files over here, all the theme files over here, and then theme functions are one of them. Okay, so we're going to click on theme functions, which is the functions.php file, and then scroll down. Okay, so just go down. Okay, just scroll down to the last part of it, and then create some space over here, and then come back to ChatGPT, copy the code over here, go back to your WordPress website, paste the code over here. Okay, and then click on what? Update. Now the file edited successfully means that the code has been updated. Now let's go over here and then refresh our website to see if the place order has been changed to a download. So as you can see, it has been changed to a download. That is the first thing that the first place that we can add the code. Now another code is for those of you who don't know how to edit this file. Okay, you don't want to touch it. Let's remove this code from here. Okay, and then go back over here and then let's update it. Remove the code and then update it. I'm going to update it, and then go back over here and then refresh it, and let's see back to factory settings. Okay, place order over here. Now we can also add a custom plugin. So the custom plugin that we're going to add is the code snippet plugin. So I have already installed the code snippet plugin. This is the code snippet plugin, but if you want to learn how to install it, go to add new over here, and then just search for code snippet. Okay, code snippet, and then you're gonna get to a different code snippet, but make sure that you install this one over here. Okay, this one. So after installing the code snippet, what we're going to do is we're going to go to over here, which says code snippet. Okay, so we're going to click on code snippet over here, and then you see that there are some code snippets over here, but what we're going to do is we're going to click on add new, and then we are going to add, there's a lot of already made snippets over here for us, but we're going to add our own custom code over here. So we're going to click on use snippet. Okay, so and then over here I'm going to say I'm just going to give it place order. Okay, now I'm going to paste in the code that I got from ChatGPT over here. So I'm going to copy the code from here and then come to over here and then paste it in the code preview over here. Now this is giving me error. It says please use the tab, so I'm just going to delete this one and use the tab key over here. So now that I have this one done, all what I need to do is to click on activate over here, and then click on save, to save the code snippet. So as you can see over here, it has already been created and saved. And if I go over here, you see it is place order, but if I refresh it, it's supposed to change to download for me. So it is still not changing. Okay, so as over here it hasn't changed. Now let's go back and see why it has not changed to download. So I want to see why it hasn't changed. Everything works fine, everything works perfectly. Okay, good. It hasn't changed because it is using HTML snippet. Okay, so we want to change it to a Java PHP snippet. Okay, so we'll have to click on update to update it, so that it will it will pick it as as a a PHP file, okay, or PHP code. So let's refresh it and see if it has it has changed for us. And as you can see, the download is working for us. Okay, so now guys, this is how you can be able to use ChatGPT to write your own custom code and then use it on your on your website. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you are new over here, please like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you can be able to come back and then watch it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.